What's going on, guys? Blender Bench here, and in this video we're going to start setting up our project folder for the entire project to have everything nice and organized. So without further ado, first you want to open up Blender, then you want to go to the top where it says File, go to Save As, and you can save this at any directory you choose to. Just for the sake of the tutorial and convenience, I'm just going to save it at the desktop, and I'm going to right click and go to New Folder. I'm going to save it as Hotel Project. Hit enter. Double click to enter that folder. Right click, create another folder, and I'm going to name it Blender. And inside this Blender folder, I'm just going to name it Hotel. Save as. And one thing I do want to set up is a quick keyboard hotkey, and I want to set that as the wireframe, so we can see the wireframe that of the parts that we're creating. So I'm going to go over here to where it says Object Properties, and then go down to where it says Viewport Display. Hit that drop down, and where it says wireframe, I just want to right click on that text and then go to Assign Shortcut, and then I want to type in Shift Q. So hold down Shift and press Q. Now we have a keyboard shortcut created. So if we just have our mouse on the 3D viewport and just press Shift Q, you can see it toggles on the wireframe, and you can see it at the bottom right corner. The wireframe is being toggled on and off. That lets you know that it's working. So let's just toggle that off, and we can close this and just want to file, save this. And that's pretty much it for this first video. It was real quick and short, just so we can set up the project, and we're gonna continue in the next video.